Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to remove icons and widgets from your iPhone's home screen in 2025. If your screen is feeling cluttered and you're running iOS 19 or the latest update, this guide will help you streamline things in no time. Let's dive right in. It's simpler than you think. First, start by unlocking your iPhone and going to the home screen. To remove icons, long press on the app icon until all the icons begin to jiggle. You'll see a minus sign appear in the top left corner of the icon. Tap that minus sign and a menu will pop up. You can choose Remove from Home Screen to hide it from view but keep it in your app library, or Delete App if you want to uninstall it completely. This way, you can declutter without losing access. Now, let's talk about widgets. Widgets are those handy little boxes that show info at a glance, but they can take up space. To remove a widget, long press on it until it starts to wiggle, just like with icons. Then, tap the minus sign that appears, or simply drag it to the edge of the screen and release it to delete. In the 2025 iOS updates, Apple has made this even more intuitive, so you might notice some extra customization options. Feel free to explore those once you're done cleaning up. A quick tip: always double-check before deleting anything permanent, like an app, to avoid losing data. Also, remember that these steps work on the home screen only, so make sure you're not in another app or folder. And there you have it. Your iPhone home screen is now cleaner and more organized. This simple process can make a big difference in your daily use. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.